In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted text messages on any iPhone. Before you get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the Messages app on your iPhone and go ahead and select the three lines up in the top right corner and then select Recently Deleted. You may have to hit edit first and then go to this section, so just keep that in mind. It is a little bit different depending on what device you're on. But open this up and this is going to show you all of the messages that were deleted within the last 30 days. From the list here, you can go ahead and just swipe on them or select them and then select recover or just recover all of them. It really is up to you. That being said, if it's been more than 30 days, don't worry, there is another way to access these messages. Back out and go into your settings, and once you open up your settings page, select your name up at the very top and scroll down to see iCloud and open that up. Once you're in iCloud, go ahead and select messages and ensure that this is just turned on for use on this iPhone. Now from here, you can back out and go to any web browser, whether it's on your iPhone or on a secondary device, and just go to iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID, and review your messages from here. Essentially, as long as you have iCloud turned on, that means anything that's deleted from your phone or permanently removed from recently deleted can still be restored in your iCloud data. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.